Hello 7L. So I'm just going to show you because I think a few of us have been confused about where we find the resources for our lessons, okay? So I'm on Compass. As you can see, my Compass isn't really working properly at the moment. I can't see my classes on my schedule here. I'm not sure if yours is the same, but that's okay because I can go to the pencil up here. I can find English 7L. So I'm on our dashboard. You can see here I've got the lesson plan with the instructions. And now I'm going to click on the resources tab up here. And you should be able to see down the side, Year 7 curriculum resources, remote learning. Okay, so we'll always have them labelled as remote learning so that you know that they're for now. So for today, we've got remote learning lesson 2. It's got the instructions again, the same as what I had on the lesson plan on the dashboard. And then I need to scroll down and I've got attachments, Vocab Lenny, Vocab Lenny. They're both different. One is the PowerPoint that you need and one is the Word document that you need, okay? And then it will be the same for period 3 today. I click on lesson 3. You'll see that it's the same as what I should have in the lesson plan on our Compass dashboard. Open the document Planning a Journey. Create a plan for the story as instructed in the document. And you can also use the document idea prompts to give you some inspiration if you're stuck for ideas. And then you upload your plan into the learning task. Okay, so again, I scroll down and here's the attachments that I need. Planning a journey and idea prompts. So I just click to open up those and that's what you need for this lesson. Okay, if you're still stuck with that, let me know, but here's where you find it. So I open my resources tab, it's all down the side. I find remote learning. If you open up and yours is like this, and you can see class English 7L, just click the little plus on the side and it should open up and have everything. So hopefully that clears up where you find things for your lesson, okay? But I'll always put on the lesson plan the instructions as well, okay? Hopefully that helps. If not, let me know.